When I opened the comments menu in WordPress, I found tons of spam comments. And honestly, that's really annoying. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to block spam comments in WordPress. Let's get started. We are going to use a very popular plugin called Akismet. When you install WordPress, this plugin is included by default and you can find it in the Install Plugins menu. You just need to activate it. But if you don't have it installed yet, you can add it by click Add Plugin. As you can see in this video, it appears right at the top. You can also find it by using the plugin search box. Let's go ahead and click Install Now. And then click Activate. The Akismet welcome screen explains what the plugin can do. Below that, you will see a link that says manually enter an API key. Let's click. This is where we will enter the API key so Akismet can start doing its job, blocking all spam comments. To get an API key, click Get Started. You will be taken to the pricing page. Don't worry, you can choose the personal plan, which use a pay what you can model if your WordPress site is not for commercial use. Click Get Personal, then scroll to the left to get Akismet for free. Check all three boxes, then click Continue to Personal Subscription. Enter your email address, country and zip code. Then click Continue to Payment. Since the price is 0, you won't be charged anything. Click Complete Checkout. And here it is, your Akismet API key. Click the copy button on the right, then go back to your WordPress dashboard. Paste the API key into this field and click Connect with API key. That's it. The setup is complete. Now you see this message. Akismet is now protecting your site from spam. All spam comments blocked by Akismet will appear here. Scroll down to see more details. You can also customize the spam filtering and privacy settings. I hope this tutorial helps you keep your WordPress site clean and spam-free. Subscribe for more tutorials.